Brace yourselves, adventurers, because today we're summoning the ultimate challenge into your Minecraft world, the Wither Storm. First things first, you'll need to ensure you have a compatible Minecraft version and Forge installed. If you haven't already, download and install the correct Forge version for your Minecraft game. You can find links to this in the description below. Now, let's get our hands on the Wither Storm mod. Head over to a reputable Minecraft modding website. CurseForge is highly recommended for its safety and variety. Search for the Wither Storm mod. Once you've found the mod page, locate the download button for the version that matches your Forge installation. Be sure to check the Minecraft version compatibility noted on the page. With the mod file downloaded, we need to place it in the correct folder for Minecraft to recognize it. Navigate to your Minecraft installation directory on Windows. This is typically found in %app.a%Minecraft. Inside your Minecraft folder, you'll find a folder labeled mods. If it's not there, you can simply create a new folder and name it mods. Drag and drop the downloaded Wither Storm mod jar file directly into this mods folder. It's as simple as that. Now, fire up your Minecraft launcher. Make sure you select your installed Forge profile from the drop-down menu before clicking play. Minecraft will now load up with all your installed mods active, including the Wither Storm. You'll see Forge loading up in the corner. To summon this colossal beast, you'll need to gather specific items as outlined by the mod's creator. Look for the summoning ritual components, typically involving soul sand and some form of wither skulls, arranged in a specific pattern. And there you have it. The Wither Storm has been summoned. Prepare for an epic and incredibly challenging battle that will test your Minecraft skills to their absolute limit.